I'm joined now by Tim from Line Equipment Limited, here to talk about what they are bringing to PPMA. Day 2, it's been busy. How are you doing?
Yeah, it was a very interesting first day. We had a very brisk morning, as usual, quietened off during the lunch hour, but it was a good afternoon. Going through the inquiries we've had, we've got, I'd say, a dozen solid leads worth following up. So on balance, a very good first day.
We like to hear that. That's exactly what it's all about, though, isn't it? Meeting these people that otherwise, and your clients or potential clients that otherwise you might not do.
Well, you need to balance between new business and maintaining customer relations, obviously. So it was a good mix of new inquiries, customers we've never worked with before, and seeing old friends and customers. So yeah, first day, quite pleased. Hopefully repeat the same thing today, and then see what the third day brings. You never know with an exhibition.
Exactly, we'll leave that one for tomorrow. Brilliant. So just before we have a look at some of the equipment behind you, Tim, could you just tell us a little bit about Line Equipment Limited and what it is that you do?
Right, Line Equipment was established 37 years ago in Nottingham. We are a UK-based manufacturer, so everything you see on the stand today is designed, fabricated, assembled, tested in the UK. We are a company of approximately 30 people. And that is split between sales, projects, the factory facility, so we have our own machine shop, own fabrication, welding, electrical shop, and then obviously the people that you're talking to today on the stand, the sort of commercial salespeople. We are a manufacturer of vertical form fill seal machines, is the official title. Some people call them baggers. Very popular in the food, coffee, beverage industry. We do a lot of work in multiple industries. We export to multiple countries directly and through distributors. And we're very proud that the equipment is all designed, built in the UK.
Yeah, I absolutely love that. And I mean, you mentioned just some of the products that you might be using your machines for. Very important one, the coffee. So thank you for keeping our coffee fresh.
Indeed. It's a market we've got quite good penetration into. The traditional sort of refill pack, we pack bean and ground coffee. We can pack those on the same machines. We can do the standard retail packs up to 1-2 kilo retail packs for the coffee houses. So yeah, it's a successful market. It's quite a challenging market. It's a live product. You have to handle it carefully. It's quite a complex shape to make from a flat roll of film, but you know we're quite successful in that market. But that pack format also transfers over to confectionery. Weirdly, we've sold a lot of machines that produce that pack style for bird feed. So when you're feeding the birds in the winter in your garden, possibility that's come off one of our machines. So yeah, it's a really interesting mix. So from the point of view of me going out representing the company, you can be in a pharmaceutical factory one day, you can be in a factory packing birdseed, coffee, and last week I actually visited 4 customers who use our machines to pack ice. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, never a dull day by the sounds of things.
No, so your standard retail pack you see in your local supermarket, you're having a barbecue in the summer, you buy a 1 kilo pack of ice, and our machines can pack those, but they also pack up to 12 kilos for customers who are hotels, festivals, anything like that. We do bulk ice packing as well.
So now you know.
An industry I never knew was as big as it is in the UK.
But I mean, it makes sense, doesn't it? Because when you actually look around, you see all these packets, and actually, let's go and have a look at the machine that makes it possible. So what have we got behind us then?
This is a machine we're quite proud of. Again, developed in Nottingham, in-house. A lot of customers now are looking for flexibility, and I mentioned earlier the standard sort of pillow pack, which the best analogy is a crisp packet. This machine allows you to make the standard pillow pack, what we call a doi pack, which is a pack very similar to your wet pet food pouches, stands up on the shelf, gives good shelf representation for the brand, the customer, and it will also make the pack we've just been discussing, the coffee pack, which is the one which has the square sides and the 4 seals. So this is our PDQ machine because it's pillow pack, doy pack and quad pack, all on the same machine with approximately a 15 to 20 minute changeover from one to the other.
I mean, that's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, efficiency, one machine to do those three things, and that time, of course,
For a
is
customer
important.
who has a diverse portfolio of product, it's ideal, but it's also ideal for contract manufacturers who are manufacturing on other people's behalves, because that allows them the flexibility to invest in one machine but deliver 3 different pack styles with almost no changeover parts.
Brilliant.
We're quite proud of that machine, but we were talking about the diversity of the customers. So this machine was built for a confectionery application. The machine behind us is packing 25 kilos of wet fish.
Wet fish?
Not frozen, wet.
Well, I assume that's not what's happening today. There's
No.
no smells
No,
going
no,
on
no,
here
no.
on the floor.
So this is for a customer, and it literally takes the fish directly from the trawler, packs it, and it's then taken and frozen after packing.
Wow, okay. So many questions.
Yeah. So packing jelly beans 1 minute, wet fish the next. So yeah.
I mean, who knew that there was so much variety going on from just a couple of machines? But this is brilliant, and it's lovely that you've brought this down to PPMA. We spoke earlier about the fact that you're meeting new customers, keeping up with your old customers as well. But why is it important that everyone comes together for an event like PPMA?
It's maintaining customer relations, building new customer relations, but as well as being a supplier, a number of more and more we're being asked to put turnkey lines together. Our customers want us to take from raw material to a finished pallet. So it's not only meeting customers, it's meeting potential suppliers, making relationships with people who can supply us. You know, that this might need a checkwear or a metal detector at the end of it, then it might need a case packer, right the way through to a finished pallet. And it's a good opportunity for us to A, sell, which is why we're here, but B, find these potential vendors who can help us deliver what the customers are asking for.
Perfect, really helping to sort of complete that whole production line. Amazing. Tim, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Do come down and have a look. I mean, I don't, is there an industry you don't package for? I'm not entirely sure after hearing all of that.
Not one that comes to mind quickly.
But brilliant, do come down and chat to Tim and the team and find out exactly how they could help you. Thank you, Tim.
Take care.